What do you do when someone normally tells you that the price of your product is too expensive? Well, most people, they actually start dropping the price of that product. So today I'm going to introduce you to a concept called the rule of three. So what normally happens is when you show a product and someone says that product is too expensive, let's say you show them a pen and the pen is priced at 500 and the person says this pen is too expensive. So you don't drop the price on that pen, you don't show them a cheaper pen, but you show them a more expensive pen. So you show them something at 1,000 rupees and you tell them why they should go for that. And this person will first look at you and probably question why you're giving a more expensive product. But you move them up and then you show them another pen which is maybe for 250 rupees. So 500 rupees, he said too expensive, take him to 1,000 rupees and then show him a 250 rupee product. And that is called the rule of three. And how it works is that most of the time the people will come back and buy the original product, the 500 rupee one, or a lot of times they'll even go and buy the more expensive one. You don't have to drop your price. What you will do is you will exhaust your inventory, not your price. People will end up buying all three segments across different product categories or different people that they're targeting. They will not want you to discount your price. It is an amazing concept. Sounds so simple, but it is brilliant. You must implement the rule of three irrespective of what you do.